Toss eggs with tomato for a quick dinner. Let's start by dicing a tomato. Next, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and oregano. Mix everything well. Drizzle oil in a frying pan. Add the diced tomato. Then pour in the egg mixture. Let it cook until set. Once set, flip it over. Add 3 slices of cheese. Sprinkle with oregano. Allow the cheese to melt. When it looks like this, it's done. Look how delicious this is, folks. Quick, easy, with ingredients you have. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care and see you next time.